What is up, guys? The Unknown Review Guy here, and today we're going to be talking about the Gear 360. So you're probably like, Unknown Review Guy, why are you talking about the Gear 360? Like, that came out, like, the 2017 version, that came out when the SA came out, so why are you talking about it? You're probably wondering that. I'm talking about it because I got mine to work, so I have mine back here on this table. So the Gear 360, if you guys don't know, is a, 360 4K camera from Samsung. This is the 2017 version. You can tell the difference between 2017 and 2016 because 2016 is just like a sphere and 2017 is this, right? But essentially it retails for $229.99, right? After the Note 8 came out, there was a big problem where a bunch of these Gear 360s wouldn't turn on, and it caused a lot of them had to be returned. Okay, it wasn't really widespread, that's why you probably never heard of it, but it was a pretty big problem. A lot of people complaining online about it, that the Gear 360s don't turn on. Despite all that, there's only 2 videos as of now on how to fix the problem. I'm going to tell you which one of those videos that actually helped me, and why I got this camera for $200 off. Essentially, I knew it was broken when I brought it. I brought it off eBay for parts or repair. This guy put in the description that he brought these from a major electronics retailer, and that they were RMA returned, RMA units, so they don't work, and they're only for parts or repair. They don't turn on. Right? So I'm like, oh, I'll try. I'll buy one. I'll see if I can fix it. I've had it since October. In fact, I think I ordered it October 15th. I got it for $29.99. And I knew if it doesn't work, hey, it's a nice decoration over here, and it's not in frame right now, but it could be a nice decoration because it's a tech thing and it works. The decoration I got for $30. It's not bad. And if it worked, I got it for $30. That's not bad. Well, I didn't think it was ever gonna work after I tried and I couldn't get anything to work. But just 2 days ago, not 2 days, so on Sunday night, today is Tuesday, on Sunday night, late Sunday night, I was watching some videos. I was thinking about getting another Gear 360, a real working one from Samsung, for my YouTube, for my vlog, stuff like that. A real Gear 360 would be great, because you don't have to do 360 camera. It's probably one of the cheaper 4K cameras, but I thought that'd be great. So I'm looking at more videos online about the Gear 360 and the quality and everything, and I say, hey, I have this one. I wonder if anybody else posted videos about how to fix this. When I first looked in October, there was only one video about how to fix it, and it didn't work. It was like, plug it into your Galaxy Note 8, I tried it with my S8, it didn't work. But this one, the guy, the explanations sound even worse, okay? It was like the guy, he said he like banged down a table, and then he pressed down the button for 15 seconds, the record button, and it turned on. And I thought, well, that's probably just a fluke, but I'll try it. And then nothing to lose. So I did. And I was holding it down, and I go to watch another video, and I'm holding it like this, and then I turn around, and I see the little light that shows up right here. There's a little light, it shows up orange when it's charging. I see it, I'm like, oh my god, it's charging. So yeah, that's how the the Gear 360 for me started working, and I will put a link to that guy's video, because that was brilliant. So basically what I'm thinking is that the charging port or something in the bottom here, maybe a battery or something, is loose, and that's what's happening is that when you knock it, it knocks it back into place, into the right place, and then this like resets it or something, it turns it on and it starts charging. Isn't that nice? So I think that that's actually a really good working way on how to fix this, at least the best there is now. So if you still have one that you either got for free from the Note 8 pre-order promo, or you have one that you bought cheaper for a weird reason that you never used it, you never like, took it apart or anything, now you just got yourself a working one. You probably got it pretty cheap too. So yeah, let me just go over the steps again. Take your Gear 360, bang it down on a hard surface, I did it on this desk, 3 times. And then hold this button down. Keep holding down for about 20 seconds. The guy says 15 seconds in his video. I held it down for like 20 seconds, so that's probably better. Then you'll notice this orange light come on. That means it's charging, and in no time you'll be able to turn on your device like this and use it, and I'll be able to record. Except I have no memory card in it right now, but it would be able to record. So that's pretty amazing. I still have to review the footage that I have about it. I took some sample footage. I'll put it in this video just to show you guys what it kind of looks like. but I took some sample footage, some sample time lapses, some sample photos, some sample everything, and I put them in, and we're gonna see what they look like. Hey guys, thanks for watching this. I hope if you guys still have one and you don't know how to work it, please try this. And again, I'm gonna link the guy's YouTube channel, which is James R, I think. I'm gonna link him at the end of this video. I'm gonna put a card for him, and then I'm gonna link the video that he says how to fix down in the description. He has 0 subscribers, guys. I subscribed to him with 2 accounts I have. Go subscribe to him. This was actually pretty brilliant, actually. That he just figured that out, and it worked, guys. It'd be one thing, a fluke if it just worked for one, but it worked for more than one. Now it worked for 2. That's actually something. So shout out to Samsung. Maybe you want to look into that. Maybe something was like loose, like the charging port or something on the bottom was loose. And banging down snaps back into place. Anyway, guys, expect more, a little bit better content from the Gear 360 coming soon, and maybe I'll do a full review of the Gear 360. Though I have none of the actual accessories or anything that came with it. I just have the unit itself. Maybe I'll do a full review of it at a later date. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I will totally have more videos. I'm sorry it's been a little bit slower with the videos. But thanks, guys, for watching. Oh, a little update. I do have the iPhone 10. I got it, the working one. It's in my possession. I unboxed it. This video kind of got screwed up because of there's a little label on the side with my name because I picked it up in the store. So I had to like cut those scenes out. So I do have it though. And it's gonna be soon. I'm gonna have the video soon. Trust me. And I don't have any in my pocket. I also got some AirPods. So I was very reluctant to get them. I really did not like the AirPods, but I said, well, actually, they were somehow added to my order. I'm not too sure how that happened. But then I said, I'll keep them and I'll see what they are. I could have returned them, but I'll see how they go. So, anyway, guys, I'll have more video about that. Anyway, guys, my battery's dying, so that means I have to go. Thank you guys for watching. Unknown Review Guy. Out.